Hey everyone, welcome back to Health is Wealth. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both fascinating and incredibly relevant for anyone looking to optimize their diet: low-carb foods. Low-carb diets have become increasingly popular for their potential benefits, from weight loss to improved metabolic health. But with so many options out there, it can be challenging to know which foods truly fit the bill and how to include them in your daily meals. In this video, we're not just skimming the surface, we're going deep into the world of low-carb eating. I'll be sharing a curated list of nutrient-dense, low-carb foods that can help you achieve your health goals. So whether you're following a specific low-carb plan or just looking to cut down on carbs for better health, you're in the right place. Get ready to discover some amazing foods that can transform your meals and support your well-being. Let's get started. First, leafy greens: spinach, kale, arugula, lettuce. Carb content: typically less than 5 grams of carbs per cup. Rich in vitamins A, C, K, and several B vitamins. High in fiber and antioxidants. Cruciferous vegetables: broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, cabbage. Carb content: 5-10 grams of carbs per cup. High in fiber, vitamins C and K, and antioxidants. Can help improve digestive health and reduce inflammation. Avocado. Carb content: about 2 grams of net carbs per 100 grams. High in healthy monounsaturated fats, potassium, and fiber. Supports heart health and helps with satiety. Meat and poultry: chicken, beef, pork, turkey. Carb content: virtually no carbs. Excellent sources of high-quality protein and essential nutrients like iron and B vitamins. Fish and seafood: salmon, trout, shrimp, sardines. Carb content: virtually no carbs. High in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and important minerals like iodine and selenium. Eggs. Carb content: less than 1 gram of carbs per egg. High in protein, vitamins B12 and D, and choline. Supports muscle health and brain function. Nuts and seeds: almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds. Carb content: generally 2-6 grams of net carbs per ounce. Rich in healthy fats, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. Can help with satiety and provide a good source of protein. Cheese: cheddar, mozzarella, goat cheese. Carb content: typically less than 1 gram of carbs per ounce. High in calcium, protein, and various vitamins. Can be a good source of fat and help with flavor in low-carb diets. Olives and olive oil. Carb content: about 2-3 grams of carbs per 100 grams of olives. High in healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. Supports heart health and adds flavor without many carbs. Berries, in moderation: strawberries, raspberries, blackberries. Carb content: about 5-10 grams of net carbs per 100 grams. Lower in carbs compared to other fruits, high in antioxidants and vitamins. Thank you for tuning into our channel. We hope you found this guide to low-carb foods both informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. And if you have any favorite low-carb foods or tips, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring new ways to nourish your body. See you in the next video.